AI transforms messy handwriting into perfect docs student hack. Let's face it, your handwriting isn't just messy. It's a rebellion against legibility. It's less elegant cursive and more a seismograph recording an earthquake during a caffeine overdose. One moment, your lecture notes look like inspired genius. The next morning, an alien artifact requiring cryptographic analysis. You squint. You tilt the page. You swear that mitochondria looks suspiciously like mystic pizza. And when it's time to submit that essay, the sheer terror of unveiling your ink-stained chaos to a professor's judgment is enough to trigger cold sweats. But fear not, fellow scribble sufferers. AI has arrived like a digital superhero, cape fluttering in the pixelated wind, ready to transform your hieroglyphics into flawless documents. This isn't just a tool. It's a full-blown academic revolution. The doctor's prescription epidemic. Why we're doomed by default. We've all been there. The frantic race to capture a professor's wisdom at 200 words per minute results in text that resembles overcooked spaghetti tossed onto the page. Maybe your T.S. lacrosse bars. Perhaps your AS are indistinguishable from deranged OS. Or maybe, like mine, your writing starts neat, but descends into a desperate, time-saving shorthand known only to cryptographers and very confused future you. The consequences are dire. The unreadable study guide, that brilliant insight from week 3, now it just says impt THG ABT quarks, FLVR. Was it flavor? Flex? Flux? Your physics final hangs in the balance. The humiliating hand-in. Submitting an essay that looks like it was written by a spider dipped in ink, leading to passive-aggressive comments like interesting arguments, assuming I deciphered them correctly. The lost genius moment. That world-changing idea scribbled at 3 a.m., lost forever, buried under a mountain of indecipherable loops. Traditional solutions were grim, laboriously rewriting notes, hours lost, begging a friend with calligrapher-level penmanship to translate yours, cost, usually pizza, or investing in a laptop, and then wrestling with distraction-prone Wi-Fi. It felt like medieval torture for the modern student. Enter the Scribble Whisperer, how AI decodes your doodles. This isn't your grandma's OCR, optical character recognition. Old scanners turned neat print into digital text, but choked on the glorious mess of human handwriting. Modern AI, powered by deep learning and neural networks trained on millions of handwriting samples, from the pristine to the psychopathic, is a different beast. Meet ScribbleSavior AI, or your app of choice. Think Nebo, GoodNotes, Google Lens, Microsoft Lens, or even cutting-edge features in Adobe Scan. Here's the magic trick broken down. 1. The digital Rosetta Stone. Image capture, you snap a photo of your notes, essay draft, or that napkin from the coffee shop where you outlined your thesis. Lighting, crooked angle, coffee stain. The AI doesn't flinch. It sees through the chaos. 2. Line by line, scribble by scribble, segmentation and recognition. The AI doesn't just look for letters. It understands context. Does that ambiguous squiggle look like an A next to a T? Is that trailing mark likely an LY? It compares your unique scrawl to its vast database, constantly learning and adapting. It's not just reading. It's mind-reading your intent based on letter shapes, word spacing, and even sentence structure. 3. Beyond transcription. The grammar ninja, structure, and enhancement. This is where it gets revolutionary. Basic OCR spits out text. Advanced AI. 1 fixes your fragments. Turns bioexam on. Cell struct key. Into the biology exam is on Monday. Cell structure will be a key topic. 2 punctuation power up. Adds commas, periods, and apostrophes where your frantic pen forgot them. Goodbye, accidental run-on sentences of doom. 3. Spelling sorcery corrects definitely to definitely, banishing red squiggles before your professor sees them. 4. Formatting fairy godmother can often convert handwritten lists into bullet points, headings into bold text, and scribbled diagrams into clean digital images. 4. Export to glory. One tap, and your transformed text flows perfectly into Google Docs, Word, Notes, or even presentation slides. Poof! Instant professionalism. The student's superpower, laughing all the way to the A. The impact isn't just practical, it's psychologically liberating. Reclaim lost hours. Instead of rewriting 10 pages of lecture notes, spend that time actually studying them, or, sleeping. Confidence boost. Submit essays knowing your brilliance won't be obscured by your baffling GS. No more apologetic pre-submission emails. Searchable sanity. Suddenly, all your handwritten notes are digitally searchable. Need that Keynesian economics point? Search Keynes' multiplier instead of flipping through 50 pages of visual noise. Collaboration made easy. Share perfectly legible digital notes with study groups instantly. No more playing Pictionary with your own work. The laughter factor. There's undeniable comedy in watching your chaotic scrawl morph into Time's New Roman perfection. It feels like cheating, but it's just really, really smart tech. Imagine the AI muttering to itself. Impressive disregard for baseline. Yes, that's clearly photosynthesis, not photon sisters. Clever attempt at an F, but I know an S when I see one. The caveats, because AI isn't actually magic. Yet, let's keep it real. Even the best AI scribe has limits. The blob of doom. If your handwriting resembles a single, continuous ink blob, even AI might surrender. Garbage in, garbage out. Creative spelling. Truly unique misspellings might get corrected to something wrong but plausible. Always proofread. Complex symbols and diagrams. While improving, complex math equations or intricate sketches might still need manual tweaking. The soul argument. Yes, there's something irreplaceable about a handwritten notes character. But when clarity is mission critical, flawless function trumps quirky form. The future is written clearly. This tech isn't standing still. Imagine AI that learns your handwriting like a friend, adapts perfectly to your unique style over time, reducing errors. Real-time lecture translation. Handwritten notes captured live via tablet/stylus, instantly transformed as you write. Contextual genius. This messy bit about Napoleon? Based on the surrounding text, you likely meant continental blockade, not continental breakfast. The verdict. Your mess, AI's masterpiece. The era of handwriting shame is over. AI document transformation is the ultimate student hack. It's not about being lazy, it's about being ruthlessly efficient. It lets you harness your natural thinking speed, even if that thinking manifests as chaotic scribbles, without sacrificing clarity or professionalism. It saves time, reduces stress, boosts grades, and injects a dose of comedic wonder into the grind of academia. So embrace the chaos. Scribble freely during that intense seminar. Brainstorm wildly on the back of an envelope. Let your hand fly across the page. Just remember your trusty AI sidekick is waiting, ready to perform its digital alchemy. Fire up that app, snap a pic, and watch your messy masterpiece become a perfect document. Your professors will be impressed. Your future self, trying to study, will be grateful. And your pen? Well, it might finally stop judging you. Now go forth and write terribly. Your AI genius got this. Just try not to laugh too loudly in the library when it turns by more cheese into a perfectly formatted reminder to review Keynesian multiplier effects. The revolution clearly will be digitized. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.